Welcome to your Web3 training, your first step toward unlocking a new digital frontier.
All you need to enter the global economy is a smartphone, internet, and knowledge. But to win, you must understand how the internet has evolved. Welcome to the journey from Web 1 to Web 3. Most people think the internet has always been the same. But what if I tell you the internet you are using today is completely different from the one we started with? And another one is coming that will pay those who understand it earlier. From reading to posting to earning, I welcome you to the world of Web3. Globally, we use the internet every day. We are on WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. We create content, we bring traffic, we build communities, but at the end of the day, we don't own anything. Your account can be blocked, your page can be deleted, your monetization can be removed. Years of hard work gone in a day. That is Web 2. So the question is, can there be an internet where the users are the owners? Web 1 was the first internet. In those days, you could only read information, no chat, no posting, no content creation. It was like reading a newspaper. You were just a consumer. Then Web 2 came. Now we could post, like, comment, create content. There was a problem. The platforms own your data, your content, your audience. They made the money. You brought the activity. You became the product. Web 3 is a new internet of ownership, decentralization, financial empowerment. For the first time, you can own your digital assets, control your money, be part of the platform, not just a user, but a stakeholder. This is why Web 3 is powerful for us, because we don't have to wait for banks to approve us, governments to empower us, companies to employ us. With just a smartphone, internet, knowledge, you can enter the global economy. This is why communities like CTC, Creative Time Center, are important, because information without a guiding system leads to confusion. Here, you are not just learning Web 3. You are learning how to position early, how to grow in a structure, how to become a leader in the digital economy. In the next video, I will show you the hidden danger of Web 2 and why many people are working online but remain poor. Your assignment is ask yourself this question: on the internet today, what do I truly own? Drop your answer in the comment section. Welcome to Web 3.